outlined, every Title I school must hold an informational annual meeting. The meeting allows parents and family members to better understand the importance of their role in their child's education. It also gives us an opportunity to ask for the input of the parents and families to help us improve our Title I. So, what is Title I? Do we have any parents in the audience? I know I saw a few dots. I'm not sure. Ms. Mason, are you able to check to see if we have any parents? So Title I is a part of Every Student Succeeds Act, ESSA, which was first passed into law as the Elementary and Secondary Education Act in 1965 under President Johnson. History teachers, correct me if I say incorrect. I will not mind. The intent of this law was and still is to provide federal funds to support schools with high poverty rates to ensure that all children have the opportunity and resources to obtain a high quality education. To this, Title I funds are used to support instruction, professional development of teachers, and family engagement programs. So a lot of our Title I funding goes into ensuring that we are able to hire teachers for our high need areas, as well as send current teachers to the necessary training for those areas, provide tutoring support for our students, and things of that nature. So how does a school become Title I? Schools qualify